Welcome to this video on using C# loop controls. When controlling the execution of a loop, we have employed the use of test conditions that determine whether that loop should continue or to stop. There are, however, further means available to us regarding loop operations, and these are break and continue. And below I've shown you the basic structure of their operation. Imagine, for instance, a while loop. There'll be a test condition and some statements, but at some point in the while loop we could impose another test condition, and if that's true then we could introduce the break statement. As a result, we would break out of the loop completely. Bear in mind, if this was a nested loop, however, it would simply break out of the inner loop. The continue statement works somewhat differently. Again, we would create an extra test condition which, if were true, would cause the continue statement to execute, and this would simply skip any further statements in that particular iteration of the loop and cause us to continue with the next iteration in sequence. Well, let's see how they actually operate by using an example. Right, with our Visual Studio loaded, we'll start a new project. It's a console application, and I'll just call it using break continue. Destination's fine, okay with that. Templates produced for us here. I'll just paste in some code, and here we are. To begin, I've initialized a variable called counter to 0. Following this is a while loop statement where counter is tested against a value of 10. I then increase counter by 1, and if counter is equal to 4, continue. If counter equals 7, then break. Console.writeLine informs us of the value of the current iteration. Let's build this and see what it produces. That's fine. Run the example. And there we are. Our counter started at 0, we added 1, so we iterated through 1, 2, 3. Counter, when equal to 4, returned us to the start of the while loop, and we carried on again, and it was now equal to 5, then 6, and at 7 we had break. The loop was terminated. Well, that puts you in a good position now to have a look at this and see if you can change these conditions and make use of them in various ways. Do get back to us, let us know how you get on, and show us some examples. This is C# Go saying thanks for watching.